Hello and welcome back. Tremaine University, Wyatt Wilson here. We're going to talk about how to set up showing time on your new listing. So let's get the MLS open, click on Add Edit, drop down to your name, and let's find your listing and click the Edit button. Now all the way at the bottom of this pop-up, you're going to find Manage Showing Time. This is going to open up the showing time settings menu. So we'll start here at the top. We want to select in-person appointments only. This next area I'm showing you is either where we can set the showing as appointment required or a go and show. Appointment required means the seller will have to confirm, and I'm indicating here how that seller can confirm, whether they confirm via text or email. So now we want to add the seller so he can confirm or deny that showing. So put his or her first name in, last name in, owner, occupant, and mobile cell phone number. Wow, pager. Who has a pager? Anyways, put their cell phone number in and also their email. And once you have all that in there, hit the save button, and then that way that seller will pop up there and be able to confirm or deny showings. Here under the restrictions area, we have a lot of settings that you can either select here, whether or not your appointments can overlap. I always select the default option. I don't mind having multiple people at the showing at the same time. Here is where we'd set up a restriction. So like, hey, I'm the seller. Hey, can you block off the showings for this weekend because I'm headed out of town? This is where we would do that. So we would either select like a one-time restriction, maybe they're going out of town, or a timed restriction, like, hey, I work from home 9 to 5, so showings only after 5. That is where we would do that. Here under access information, this is where we're going to put our lockbox. So we want to go down here and select combination lockbox. And once we do that, then we can put that location of the lockbox and also the code of the lockbox. It's really important. And if there's any special instructions like, hey, don't let the cat out. Anyways, at the top, you got to save your changes. Once you do that, you are successful.